guys, what is up? I'm the video and kid doing burps 44. I'm sorry if you're getting bored of my burp videos, but I'll do a different video tomorrow. Or tonight. Probably not tonight. But probably tomorrow I'll do a different video. But I'm not discontinue, don't get me wrong. I'm not like discontinue it, no.
Turn, you're scaring the discus. Don't wait around.
Okay. So, when I get to some burps. Shut up! This is a pretty bad burp video. Ugh. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos. See you in my next video, guys. Peace out.